So my name is Meehan. I'm the Policy and Strategy Manager here at AHCWA. I've been here for about 15 months. And it's a really full-on kind of gig. I think with Women's Health Week, it's really important that as women we identify what we do well. I think that we often get caught up with the things that we don't do so well. You know, the clothes that don't fit us, the fact that we're not wearing makeup, which I'm not wearing makeup at the moment. You know, I think that we get sort of caught up on all the wrong things and we start to miss the things that we do really well. And the biggest issue that I have with that kind of thing is the encroaching negative self-talk that happens in my mind. I think that one of the main things that I've been really guilty of when I've had these tough times is when I am continually being mean to myself, really. So negative self-talk and being able to try and get on top of that. That's, I think, a really important thing for women to be able to do. We are our own harshest critic, and therefore being able to give ourselves a break and just try and catch that negative self-talk before it really starts to become an issue. I think that's a really, really, really important thing for us to do. One of the main things that I tend to do is try and maintain a sense of mindfulness, which I know is bandied around as a bit of a niche kind of word. But practicing mindfulness and remembering where you are in the moment and that in that moment you are doing your best. When people expect us to be Wonder Woman, there's not much forgiveness if we don't necessarily tick off everything on the to-do list. But I think what we should do is actually look at all of, even if we can pick up 3 positives from the day and be able to, tick them off and say, okay, these are the things I've achieved. I may not have achieved the 10 things I wanted to achieve, but I've ticked off 3. And then look at the cumulative impact of that in that, they're all steps, on this sort of path to getting things done. And having someone to keep you honest as well, having your mates, they're often, a really good, sounding board, grounding kind of, mechanism, because they'll tell you whether or not you're full of it or you need to get your act together or whatever. Yeah. I think that if we don't celebrate ourselves and what we bring to every moment of every day to the people we love, then we can really do ourselves a disservice. And so remembering to replace all those negative things we tend to tell ourselves about what we do, how we look, what we're missing out on. I think we need to just replace that with the occasional pat on the back and tell yourself you're doing all right.